Imagine holding the future of bang-for-the-buck technology right in your hands, a device that finally blurs the line between the budget-friendly and the ultra-premium. For years, we've played a waiting game with Apple, watching the base model iPad sit in the shadow of its Pro and Air siblings. But 2026 is the year the narrative flips entirely. The iPad 12th generation isn't just an incremental update. It's a systematic overhaul that addresses every single gripe we've had for the last half-decade. We are talking about a chassis redesign that feels impossible at this price point, a display jump that makes your old tablet look like a relic, and a silicon heart that beats with the efficiency of a high-end workstation. You've seen the rumors, you've heard the whispers from the supply chains in Asia, but today we are putting the puzzle pieces together to show you why this specific iPad is about to become the best-selling piece of tech in history. Think about the way you use your tablet today. It's no longer just a Netflix machine. It's your digital notebook, your mobile office, and your creative canvas. Apple knows this. That's why the 12th Gen is rumored to finally ditch the dated non-laminated display technology that felt like tapping on hollow plastic. Imagine a glass so thin and a response time so instantaneous that it feels like you're rubbing ink directly onto the pixels. But it doesn't stop at the surface. Under the hood, we are looking at a jump to the A-series or even a binned M-series chip that handles 4K video editing and heavy gaming without breaking a sweat or draining your battery by lunchtime. We are entering an era where the cheap iPad is no longer a compromise, but a choice for the smart consumer. The competition is sweating because the 12th Gen is reportedly adopting the design language of the modern era: thinner bezels, symmetrical edges, and the long-awaited integration of a landscape-oriented front camera. No more awkward eye contact during Zoom calls or FaceTime. You can finally use your iPad like the laptop replacement it was always meant to be. And let's talk about the ecosystem. With iPadOS 19 on the horizon, the synergy between this hardware and the software is reaching a tipping point. We are seeing features that were once locked behind the Pro paywall trickling down to the masses. Multitasking that actually works, file management that doesn't make you want to throw the device across the room, and a battery life that stretches into the double digits even under heavy load. This is the device that makes you question why anyone would spend $2,000 on a laptop when this powerhouse fits in your backpack for a fraction of the cost. But why now? Why is 2026 the turning point? It's because the global market has shifted. People want longevity. They want a device that will receive software updates for the next 7 years. And Apple is positioning the 12th Gen to be that forever tablet for students, professionals, and families alike. We are seeing leaks regarding a new thermal management system that keeps the device cool during intensive tasks, ensuring that your performance doesn't throttle just when you need it most. This is about reliability. It's about knowing that when you open your iPad, it's going to work, it's going to be fast, and it's going to look beautiful. Stay with me as we dive deep into the specific hardware changes, the hidden features Apple doesn't want you to find out until the keynote, and the exact release date strategy that will determine when you can get your hands on this game changer.